The human resources world is being revolutionized by the transition to a digital HR environment. This is a welcome change, but can also be technically challenging, and employee self-service is right at the center of it all. Enter the document kiosk. This self-service kiosk is equipped with all the essential tools needed to make an HR manager's job easier and provide the on-demand resources that make employees cheer. Our HR kiosk home screen templates allows managers the flexibility to wrangle multiple systems and neatly present them in a user-friendly display. Best of all, the kiosk makes HR services available to all employees 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Employees can securely access payroll portals, make PTO requests, or manage benefits accounts. With this model kiosk, they can view, print, copy, sign, scan, and submit private information directly to HR. Make internal documents available such as MSDS sheets, employee handbooks, or request forms. Increase enrollments and participation by using the on-screen banners to make sure employees know about all the great benefits and programs that your organization has to offer. Employee self-service helps eliminate tedious paperwork and improves HR interaction with staff that work opposite shifts or those who just don't have access to a computer. Advanced Kiosks has years of experience in HR self-service and can help guide your implementation. Maximize the power of your HR management system with employee self-service.